In this video, we'll find the value of a trigonometric expression. The given trigonometric expression is sin 10 degree by cos 80 degree times tan 20 degree by cot 70 degree times sec 40 degree by cosec 50 degree. We know from the complementary angle trigonometric rules that cos 90 degree minus theta equals sin theta. Here we have cos 80 degree. We can write this as cos 80 degree equals cos 90 degree minus tan degree equals sin 10 degree. Again we have cot 70 degree here. So we know cot 90 degree minus theta equals tan theta. So we can write cot 70 degree as cot 90 degree minus 20 degree equals tan 20 degree. Similarly, we have cosec 50 degree. So we can write cosec 90 degree minus theta equals sec theta. So for cosec 50 degree, we can write cosec 50 degree equals cosec 90 degree minus 40 degree equals sec 40 degree. So the given expression is sin 10 degree by cos 80 degree. So we can write sin 10 degree by cos 80 degree times we have next tan 20 degree by cot 70 degree. Tan 20 degree by cot 70 degree times sec 40 degree by cosec 50 degree. Sec 40 degree by cosec 50 degree. But we got the value of cos 80 degree as sin 10 degree. So we can write sin 10 degree by sin 10 degree times we have the value of cot 70 degree, which is tan 20 degree. So we can write tan 20 degree by tan 20 degree times we have the value of cosec 50 degree, and the cosec 50 degree is sec 40 degree. So we'll put the value here. So we have sec 40 degree by sec 40 degree. So we can cancel sin 10 degree by sin 10 degree, tan 20 degree by tan 20 degree, and sec 40 degree, sec 40 degree. So we have equals 1 times 1 times 1 gives us the value of 1. So this is the value of the given trigonometric expression. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.